Ïaka National Level Faculty Development Program, neka FDP bashi Sngi, la Pynlong haka arposau tarik jamang arjar posau, ha Jaiñtia Eastern College Khliehriat. Kaneka program kalong halor ka National Education Policy neka NEP arjar apau, kabaha kislam aji hikai. Bat ka jinon kam ka Artificial Intelligence neka AI, nakam ta kinahikai. Ïaka neka program la Pynlong daka Internal Quality Assurance Cell, neka IQAC, juga Jaiñtia Eastern College Khliehriat. Harangkat ka Jaiñtia Trilang baka Center for Distance Education Nehu Shillong, hakabau Vice Chancellor juga School Ba Nehu, Profesor Prabha Shankar Shukla ulalong kumukongsan. Lasdang ka program daga Jingthang iki mumati da ukongsan, bat kibawan IG hikai. Baru la karsyan lang ka program daga ICSSR, NERC, Meghalaya baka Green Valley Cement Industries Limited. Habakran haka Jaiñtia lang, Vice Chancellor juga School Ba Nehu Shillong, ulai ka Jaiñtia ro iki bor peniat juga Jaiñtia Eastern College Khliehriat. Kabala Pynlong ka program. Kabanlong ka Jimanto ka college, kabadon na East Jaiñtia Hills District. Habakran Chapang ka Jingpantrikam ka NEP arjar arpo, o Professor Shukla ulapan pawi ki kam, jong kinahikai. Hakabede baka Jaiñtia aji hikai, kabat thamai shiki khana. Bat balum jingtip thamai, badong baka neru kan penkalai ka rukom perkhat jong ki khana. O Principal juga Jaiñtia Eastern College Khliehriat, o Dr. Pynlong ulakran halor ka jinon kam ka NEP arjar arpo, kam tama po ka Jalam Meghalaya. Ulakan tuwi ka School Ba Nehu, baka nirap lem ka college, banyo plino sa ka Shlem Pule sa stream. Kabalong tang kum ka jing sedang, bat kan nekan longru ka benta kum ka jing pentrikam, ia kan neka multidisciplinary course. Kabalong kat kum ka NEP arjar apaw. Hadin ka jing pli ka neka program, lapan butpat sa ka jing aji hikai, neka technical sessions, na kinong pensyay ki batbet, ki balakran pensyay halol kapang, key components of outcome-based education. Outcome-based education and essential all tools for teachers, assessment and accreditation reform, aligning institutional goals with NEP 2020, but learning outcomes.
Faculty Development Program is a commendable initiative to equip educators with the knowledge and skills needed to embrace this transformation. In addition to outcome-based learning, outcome-based education, the integration of artificial intelligence tools in teaching and learning process is another pivotal aspect of NEP 2020. And artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experience, automating administrative tasks, and offering advanced analytics to monitor student progress. Only implementation of the artificial intelligence in education requires us to be well versed with these technologies. That's why today the principal of the college conducting awareness come जो है teaching or learning workshop in the campus of the college. For the youth of the Meghalaya, particularly in the rural areas, what will be or should be the role of NEP 2020? In different areas, students can take the help, access to the quality of education. We are at par with the education system of other universities, or we are lacking something. We can take the benefit of this, just like once the cornerstone of the NEP 2020 is equitable access to quality education by emphasizing the importance of foundational literacy and numeracy. The policy ensures that every child, regardless of their socio-economic background, receive a strong education foundation. The basic knowledge of anything he must have, and also the outcome based. We received already the graduate degree, either in science or in arts or in commerce. But what is the outcome? Are we able to do something? Are we able to write a paragraph? Are we able to even speak something about the subject? If we are not able, we are not, what is the meaning of this degree? Integration of technologies. Someone already mentioned that, just like under the welcome speech, linkage between the academia and industry. Number of colleges, 85 colleges are here. All the colleges are every year passing out a student. I think not less than 3,000 to 4,000 students every year receiving the degree from the Northeastern Hill University. But how many are in position to know the real problem of their society? They have any kind of linkage with the local government, have any kind of linkage with the local industries, with the small scale industries. So under this education policy, or national education policy, we can start some small events to fill up the gap between the academic institution to industry, between the academic institution to the society, and between the academic institution to the government. By this way, we can even encourage and disseminate the knowledge for our young generation. With this process, we will be in position to evaluate our student in right perspectives. The AI tools can help in identifying learning gaps, tailoring instruction strategies, and providing real-time feedback, thereby enhancing the overall educational experience. However, the successful implementation of artificial intelligence in education requires us to be well versed with these technologies. We must understand how to leverage artificial intelligence tools to complement our teaching practices and not replace the human touch that is essential in education. This is just only a helping tool. We cannot fully depend on artificial intelligence. We can use these technologies for inculcating and disseminating the knowledge among the young generation. Sometimes, just like the mobile. Mobile is, what is the role of mobile in our life? To help us know. We cannot fully depend on the mobile. But what is going on? We are lacking our mobiles to remember the mobile numbers of others. At this time, sometimes we are not able to also even recognize or speak our own mobile numbers. This kind of dependency will be the harmful for the society, will be the harmful for the young generation. The same thing is the AI. AI is just giving us the way for evaluation of our student, for improving our teaching techniques. But we cannot fully depend on artificial intelligence technologies. It is a transformative step towards a brighter future for our nation and our youth. It is our collective responsibility to turn this vision into reality, creating an inclusive, equitable, and dynamic educational environment for all the students admitted in this college. So thank you, and I look forward to a day of insightful discussion and fruitful learning. With this, once again, thanks to the principal of the college for conducting the one-day program on FDP with the new technologies, that is artificial intelligence, and use of artificial intelligence for changing or for popularizing the GI, means geographical indicators of Jaiñtia hills to through AI, matlab with the application of artificial intelligence at global level. With this, once again, thank to the principal and the participants for sparing your time and ready to learn about artificial intelligence.